Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's video, Julie has a bunch of fun and helpful nail hacks for you guys. If you're a big fan of hack videos, make sure to hit that like button to support us.
Hey guys, it's Julie. Today we'll be showing you 18 nail hacks everyone should know. Number 1. So you don't have a cuticle pusher and you really need to push back your cuticles. No problem, you can actually just use a little bit of nail oil and put it around your finger. Then you can use your thumbnail to carefully push your cuticles back. This is a lot more gentle on your natural nail and it totally works. Number 2, you really want to wear some red nail polish, but you reach for your base coat and you're out. Well, don't worry, you can actually use top coat and use that as a base coat and it works just as well. Number 3, tired of spending tons of money on polish? Well, this hack is for you. I got all of these Essie polishes for $3 each from an awesome online store called Holler. As you know, Essies normally retail for about $8, sometimes $9 at Target or on Amazon, but at Holler they're only $3. Holler has thousands of great items starting at just $1, and they carry tons of beauty items in lots of nail polish brands like OPI, Essie, Revlon, and China Glaze. New items are added to the site every day, so you never know what you're going to find, but you have to check often because items are in limited quantity and sell out fast. You can shop online or download the Holler app. You get free shipping on your first order, and if you use code POLISH30, you'll save 30% off of one item. Number 4. Remember those garage sale stickers from the Nail Art Using Household Items video? You can use those or any sticker to make little swatch labels for your polishes to see how the color really looks. Just apply the polish to the sticker until it's opaque. You might need to apply a white base coat first and then let it dry. Once dry, run a toothpick around the edge to get a nice clean circle, then just peel them off and pop them on your polishes. Now you know how the colors will look actually applied and dried. To make your own custom shade of polish, you can just mix a couple that you already own. This hack is great if you have a small collection or you really want to color coordinate your nails and an outfit. I like to use a plastic baggie or foil to mix the polish on. You can also mix up big batches using old bottles of nail polish. This next hack is also helpful if you're starting out and you don't have a lot of polish. You can actually just use eyeshadow. To do that, apply a white base to your nail and let it dry. Then take an eyeshadow and really start rubbing it into the nail. The purple I was going to use initially didn't look so cute on the nail, so I brought in a dark blue, and you can also layer up eyeshadows for a really cool effect. Number 7 is one of my most used hacks. Are you tired of polishes applying super thin to your nail even though they look completely opaque in the bottle? Well, just apply a white base coat before and let it dry. Then you can layer your sheer polish over top and ta-da! A super opaque color just like in the bottle. French tips might be the most popular nail design, but getting the tip clean and straight can be really hard. Well, don't worry, just take a brush, dip it into some nail polish remover, and carefully clean up the line of the French tip. You can also conceal a bad French tip nail line with some glitter, but glitter pretty much fixes anything. Number 10, no dotting tools, no problem. You can use tons of items you can find around the house to create perfect dots, like a toothpick, an ink pen, and even the clicky end part of an ink pen. The end of the pen creates big dots, while the tip of the pen makes super delicate tiny dots. This next hack is the quickest way to make your mani look professional. After you apply your nail polish, take a brush, any small brush will do, and go around the cuticle to sharpen up the line of the color. This just gives your nails a much cleaner appearance like you got them done at a salon. Speaking of salon quality, after you apply your polish, always make sure to drag just a little bit of color along the free edge of your nail. This will cap the color in and make it look more professional as well as make your mani last longer. For number 13, I'll show you how to DIY striping tape using regular tape and nail polish. Tear off a piece of Scotch tape and stick one side to a bottle of polish or the edge of a book and the other side to a surface. Then paint on thin coats of color to the non-sticky side. Let it completely dry, then you can cut it as thin or as thick as you want and pop it onto your nail. Make sure you seal it in with a top coat to keep it in place. Have you ever worked really hard on a nail design just to bump it and smudge everything? Well, here's how to fix even the biggest of smudges. Grab a Q-tip and dip it into some nail polish remover. Then begin carefully pushing the polish back towards the bald spots and try to smooth down the polish as much as you can, but don't scrub it away. You want the surface to be as even as possible. Then just go over the entire area or the nail with one more coat of the color and finish with another layer of top coat to smooth out the surface. Number 15. You can paint pretty much any design you want on a plastic baggie and make it your own decal. This is great for those of you who have shaky hands. Just paint on your design with polish, then apply a little clear coat over top and let it completely dry. And once it's 100% dry, you can find an edge and peel off the DIY decals. Then just apply them onto your nail over wet polish. And here's an oddball hack for you that isn't super nail related, but it is using an important nail supply. You can actually clean up smudges off the soles of your shoes with nail polish remover. Just apply some remover to a cotton ball and rub the smudges away. They come off super easily and fast with nail polish remover. This next hack is a must try if you love using 3D nail decor. You can buy fancy wax pencils to pick up rhinestones, or you can use a colored pencil or crayon. They're pretty much the same thing. Just push down on the rhinestone with the pencil or crayon and the waxy texture will grab the rhinestone. This did work with a colored pencil for me, but I think a crayon would work better. And last but not least is a hack I use weekly to get healthy looking hands. Apply a generous amount of lotion to your hands and massage it in as normal. Then grab some plastic gloves and put them on your lotioned hands. It might feel a little weird, but trust me, it's worth it. Let your hands soak for as long as you can, then when you remove the gloves, you'll be left with super supple skin. And there you have 18 nail hacks everyone should know. If you'd like to watch more fun and amazing nail tutorials on CutePolish, just click on the little box here or here. You can also subscribe by clicking here. Also, you can check out my personal channel by clicking the link in the description.